Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss the last part of the chapter, more on Windows. That day we have discussed many features. Some additional features are there. Go to page number 24. First one is given touch screen. I think all of you know what touch screen is. Touch screen mobile all of you have seen nowadays. So these are Android mobiles, but those mobiles where Windows software is used, there also you can have that feature of touch screen. I think Windows mobile you have seen earlier, those Nokia Lumia and all those, those that Windows is used. So Windows 7 also support this touch screen feature. Then there is one more feature, that is your SNAP, snap. So what this feature is going to do, I'll show you. Okay, so now I have given two screen here. One is of PowerPoint and one is of Microsoft Word. So if I hold this Microsoft Word window here, and if I move this one to the left hand side, so I will see that this window will come to the left hand side. Again, if I hold this window and if I bring it here, so I will see that this window will go here. So both the windows are displayed together. So this feature is known as snap, SNAP. Okay, next I want to show you one more feature that is called if you click here this place, okay, so then you will see one thing, it will directly go to the desktop. So all the windows will be minimized and you will directly go to the desktop. Okay, this is called arrow peak. Okay, so directly it will go to the desktop if you click this side. Okay, again you will see this. So if I click here, directly it will go to the desktop. Okay, so next one more thing I am to show you, that in case of Windows you can search those things very easily. Whatever you want to search, you can search, just you have to type it here. Okay, so then whatever you want to search, you can search. Suppose you want to search, see, immediately whatever is there, it's coming, right? So it's very easy to search in Windows 7 and things can be searched very easily. I have one more thing here that is called Arrow Flip 3D. So you'll see, so here you can go to the different kind of whatever windows are open, that will be shown, and in wherever you want to go, you can go directly. See, again if I press, then I will get this. For this you have to press the Windows key, then tab. Okay, then it will come like this. Okay, so this is called Arrow Flip 3D. That is the feature. Then one more feature is there, that is called shake. With that feature, suppose you have 3-4 windows open, one window you just click and without leaving the left mouse button, just shake the window, then that window will be open and other windows will be minimized. Okay, that is your shake feature. In Windows 7 we have a taskbar which is going to display the currently running programs. Now we have seen here, like I have displayed or I have opened Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Chrome, Microsoft Word. So those icons are displayed in the taskbar. Okay, so that taskbar is going to display the different kind of programs which are currently running in your system. Now the last feature that I want to discuss is your jump list. This jump list is going to show you the frequently running programs. It will prepare a list based on the current activities of the user. If you right click on any kind of program which is running, which is on the taskbar, then it will display the list. And for example, suppose if I click on the Google Chrome icon, right click on the Google Chrome icon, it will give me a list which is going to display the frequently opened tabs and some tasks. Okay, so here also in your book one figure is given, that figure 3.8, that jump list is shown there. They have right click on the Internet Explorer icon, then it has given the frequently used websites, then the some tasks and pin or unpin from the taskbar, that option will be there. Okay, so this is your jump list. This is a new feature which is available in Windows 7. That is what we have in today's class. In case of any doubt, you please ask me. If there is any confusion, any kind of thing, if you have, please ask me. Okay, thank you.